Visit and explore Aguirangan Island. It is located near the town of Maangas, Presentacion, Camarines Sur. Here, island hopping is one of the most enjoyable activities visitors can engage in as they get to see the marvelous islands in their full splendor. The island is encircled with unique and colorful coral formations, making the island ideal for scuba diving and snorkeling. With its clear blue waters, one can readily see the abundant and vibrant marine life that inhabit the world beneath the waves, making the island a diver and nature lover's dream. Aguirangan is a small island with no electricity, no source of fresh water, and existing resort. There are several nipa huts or open-air cottages that are available for rent. If you're planning for an overnight stay, then you should bring your own tent. A caretaker collects a minimal fees as an entrance fee in the island. A beach with cream-colored sand. There are also several trees and coconuts in the island. You can go around the entire island in just an hour or two. The activities that can be done in the area, we can go for swimming, scuba diving, snorkeling, exploring, and lastly, photography, of course. Hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan yan. Ang entrance nga pala dito, it range for 50 to 100. Kayak rental, 150 per hour. Meron ding cottages na ang rent ay 300 to 1,500 pesos. And then tent for 50 to 100. How can we get there? Fly a plane or ride a bus going to Naga City, and from there ride a bus again for approximately 2 hours. You'll be in Presentacion, Camarines Sur. And lastly, rent a boat and catch the scenic view of Aguirangan Island, also known as the Egg Yolk Island and or Rose Islet. Basta Kagala, all goods.